Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Neil, and in this video, our friend Shylin Milan would like me to draw a manta ray. So that's what we're gonna do in just a couple seconds. But before we get into it, just a friendly reminder, here on Truly Artrageous, I like to teach you guys how to draw cool stuff in a fun and easy way. And I post brand new videos to the channel here every Thursday. So be sure to check your calendars for Thursdays and come on back to the channel for some new videos. But if you'd like to make things a little bit more automatic and easy on yourself, be sure to go right now down below, click that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. And that way YouTube does it all for you. All right, let's get into our drawing of a manta ray. All right, let's get started on our drawing. So for this one, you're gonna need a piece of paper. You're going to need your drawing utensil. I'm using a black marker so it's easier for you guys to follow along, but if you're more comfortable with a pen or a pencil, just use that. And then when we get to our coloring step, pretty simple color palette for the manta ray. These are the colors that I'm choosing. Feel free to copy these or choose your own. Also, if I'm going too fast in the tutorial, please feel free to push that pause button or hit rewind. I want you guys to be able to follow along as comfortably as possible. All right, first step, we're gonna draw the right side of the manta ray. So we're gonna start over here. We're gonna draw kind of a curvy organic line because when they're floating through the water, their wings or fins kind of flap everywhere. So just like that. Then we're gonna see a little bit of the underside of the fin here. So we're gonna pull off of this line and come down a little bit. Then we're going to come off of this line here and curve up and over like that. Next, we're gonna draw the side of the face of the manta ray. So we're gonna come over here. We're gonna curve around like that. Then we're gonna curve down like this. And then the next step, we're gonna curve and create the mouth. So we're gonna start here. We're gonna curve that line up, over, around, and down like that. Maybe a little further, like that. Then we'll do the other side of the manta ray's face. So we'll do the same thing like we did on the other side there. 1 and 2, like that. I don't know if you heard that plane go by. It's pretty loud. All right, next we're gonna draw what are called the cephalic lobes. So we're gonna start over here. We're gonna come off of this line here and just kind of continue the curve. Down like this. Then we're gonna go up and in like that. Same thing on this side. Down like this. And then we're gonna go up and in like that. So it kind of gives you that folded look. Next, we're gonna see a little bit of the mouth here. So we're just gonna do kind of a shallow curve line. Start right here, curve up and over like so. And there's your mouth. And then we'll draw the left wing slash fin. So we'll start right here. We're just gonna curve around. Same kind of an organic line that we did on the other side. Just like that. Then we're gonna pull around the back side like this. We're gonna curve that line over here like so. Just keep that line going in like that. Straighten my line just a bit. There we go. And then on this side, we're gonna pull off of here. Curve that line around, down, in like that. Next, we're gonna draw the manta's tail. So we're gonna come off of this line. We're gonna curve around like this. And then we'll start at the tip right there. And we're just gonna pull that back down into the wing or fin on the left side. Next, we're gonna draw the fin on the back of the manta, because believe it or not, mantas are closely related to sharks. So we're gonna start right here. We're just gonna curve a line up like this, and then back down like that. And then they've got kind of a wispy tail. So we're gonna start over here. And we're just going to draw kind of an organic line like that. Then to give some definition to the center of the body, we're just gonna draw 2 lines. So one right here, like that, and then one like here, right here, there we go, like that. And then mantas have eyes, so we'll put in some eyes, just some dots. One right there, and then one right here. All right, and there's your line work for your manta ray. And now it's time for the gratuitous, cringeworthy, Dad joke. Okay. Why does a chicken coop only have 2 doors? Because if it had 4, it'd be a chicken sedan. All right, let's move on to our coloring step, and we'll do that in super speed, starting now. All right, and there you have it, your fully colored manta ray. Thanks everybody for drawing along with me. I hope you guys had tons of fun drawing the manta ray. Hey, occasionally I run out of ideas, and that's where I'm depending on you guys to help me out. If you guys have a great idea about what you would want me to teach you how to draw, leave that down below in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave me a like. All right, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.